y'all, it's your girl Déja Nikira. So today I'm here doing a hair review for Nadula Hair Company. This hair was originally in this natural dark brown color, and I dyed this in a one-step process. I did not film it, but I will do it again. Using the L'Oreal High Color Highlight in the color red. I used 3 boxes, a little bit of 40 developer, and just put this on this hair. So it was a one-step. You know, I didn't have to bleach the hair, lift it, and then color it red. So one step, and I got this bomb red color. You know, it's fall time, so it's all of these reds and deep wine tones, and I absolutely love the color. The hair is still super soft. I'm a big person on ends, and the ends they're not frayed, they're not split, they're perfect. And whenever you start putting chemicals and colors and dyes on the hair, it's bound to start acting fugazi. But right now we are perfect with this. This hair didn't come in with any smells. The shine, as y'all see, is fire. I love shiny hair. Like when the hair is straight and it doesn't have a shine, it's like lacking luster. I hate it. This hair has a beautiful shine to it and flows. As you can see, it's bone straight. I blew it out and then I straightened it. As you can see in the thumbnail for the video, this hair was a natural body wave texture, but got bone straight. Bone straight. Like, I love it. I love it. I hate buying straight hair because say it rains or something, or say I go to a pool party or something, I get wet. At least I can walk around with the body wave texture. I think wet straight hair looks like, I was gonna say something, but we're not gonna say that. Whatever. Wet straight hair just looks stringy and nasty, so that's why I always get body wave and straighten it. I love this hair. It hasn't shed any yet so far. I didn't cut the wefts. Tip: do not cut the wefts with your hair because that keeps the longevity of the hair. This is a frontal. I haven't worn a frontal in a while. I actually been a closure type of girl, but I received a frontal from them and I got excited, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. The frontal, I love it because it's nice and thick. I don't like when frontals are given to you and it's a very low density, because the longevity of the frontal isn't, it's gonna be trash. So this frontal was very thick. It came pre-plucked, but I don't also like over plucking my frontals, because again, that's how you keep the longevity of the frontal and be able to get more wears out of it. I did make this into a unit, so it's 3 bundles in a frontal. It is pretty full. The lengths are 24, 22, 20, I believe, with a 20-inch frontal. I'm not 100% sure, but the details will be in the description box below. Definitely click those links to purchase this hair. Let me know how your experiences with Nadula hair is. I personally right now love this hair because it's so soft. I love soft hair, especially when you're laying with someone, you know. You want your hair to be soft. I love soft hair. The hair didn't come with any smells. It didn't come with any gray hairs. I love that. You know how many times I've ordered hair and it's had gray hair in it? There's no gray hair. I had no gray hairs in this. Get y'all a good view. Overall, this hair is serving looks, okay? This hair is giving me all fall realness that I need. I love it. So this hair takes color well. This hair isn't shedding. The frontal isn't thin. So you definitely have working room. I'd rather get something that's thick, that's a higher density, and then you tweeze that joker out however to your desire. You tweeze it to your liking. If it comes too thin, you don't have much wiggle room with it. The lace, where's, oh, I cut the lace off. I wanted to show you guys the lace. The lace isn't super thick, which I love. I hate getting hair from companies and the lace is too thick. The thinner the lace, the better. The knots bleach super fast. I've had issues where I've had to like re-bleach the knots, and I didn't have any issues with that. So the knots bleach perfectly fine. Of course, I'm huge on aesthetics and stuff. So the packaging is beautiful. It comes in this it comes in this very nice box. It has their social media on this side, the name of the brand of the company on the front of it. On the back, it gives you a little background on them, and it also gives you some hair care tips in case you guys don't need those, but since you're watching me, you don't need it. You come to me. But it also came with a wig cap, a black stocking wig cap, and an info card on as well on the inside. So I love the packaging. I hate when hair comes to me in like bags or plastic bags. It's just not appealing. But yeah guys, I'm in total love with this hair. Like, I'm in love with the hair, the color, everything, how it took. So I definitely want you guys to click the links in my bio. Definitely give this company a try. I'm loving it. I'm gonna come back with about I'll say in about 3 months. I like to always do like a 3-month or later review, because when you get hair, it's the hair always is bomb when you first get it. So I'm gonna give you guys an updated review. But you know, some companies, you can come out the box getting trash hair. And again, this is another one. I guess the Déja Nikira thumbs up of approval. You guys know I would not lie to you. I don't want nobody to waste their coins as much as I don't want to waste my coins. So let me know your experiences with Nadula hair. Drop it in the comments below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. Also, you can find me on my social media. You can find me at my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All of that is in the description box below. Also find the social media pages of Nadula hair in my description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'm definitely gonna be bringing you guys a lot of content with this wig specifically, because me and her are having a connection right now. Like, I'm loving it so much. I know I'm not gonna take her off for a minute. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you have any questions, comments, or ideas, definitely leave them below. Or of course, you know, write me on my social media like always. I'll tell you guys really do contact me, and I greatly appreciate the interaction with you guys. Other than that, stay cute, stay blessed, y'all. Till next time.